I'm going to go look at the map. I'm going to write down the route that I want to take. Okay. Screw the... So that's... This one is C. Okay. This shouldn't be too long now that I know exactly where I need to go. So then should be able to... Yeah, there's a whole bunch of enemies. Okay, so then I take this extremely slowly. Just so I don't... Because this is a boss level, I don't need the CDs. And I have to fight the boss. And I'd rather not fight the boss when I have less than full health. Oh, really? So now... So this... I'm pretty sure this one's 2. Yeah. And I hold down. I'm just going to keep holding down. Oh, there's CDs. Then this should be... there should be a teleporter. I'm just going to collect these CDs because I can. Okay, so there's a teleporter. This is H. Which will take us to a room where we need to like climb up. I've got to be careful because the green on... You know what? I want this stuff, so I'm going to just take it a bit slow to grab it. Okay. I then want to go through the middle one, which is W. Okay. Then I go through the top one. I go through here. And I'm just gonna... Oops. And this... Yeah, and then I have to go through here. And then we're at boss. Okay, so I gotta hit the shapes. Are you kidding me? What the heck? And I'm just going to keep doing this because maybe it will do damage. Oh, we win. Awesome. Okay. Heck yeah. Okay, that... Yeah, there was no way I was doing that level blind. Or like solving that myself.